Hello everyone, I have a question before us sent in by Kolawole Ayandeji. Kolawole Ayandeji has asked me the question that what will happen if the PyCore teams stop developing the Pi network project? Thank you for that question, Kolawole Ayandeji. Thank you for that question on what will happen if the PyCore team stops developing the Pi network or the Pi coin project. One of the most uncomfortable but important questions in any long-running crypto project is this: what happens if the core development team stop building the project? For Pi network, this question carries significant weight because the ecosystem is still evolving and much of its progress has historically been guided by the Pi core team. I saw in some videos made by some content creators on YouTube and elsewhere calling on the Pi core team to do this or to do that. Now, this question is a very good one. What happens now if the Pi core team now say we are tired, we are not going to do this project again, we are hands off? A critical analysis must consider technical, economic, and social consequences rather than emotional expectations. Number one is the centralization reality. Although Pi network promotes decentralization as a long-term goal, the current structure still shows strong reliance on the core team for protocol updates. Somebody was saying that previously they used to give updates about every 3 to 6 months or to 1 year, but now they're giving update on Twitter almost 3 times in a week. Ecosystem development, KYC infrastructure, app ecosystem approval, mainnet policy decisions. All these things are still dependent on the Pi core team. This means that if the development stops abruptly, there is no fully proven alternative governance system currently demonstrated at scale. In simple terms, the more centralized a system is in practice, the more it depends on its central authority. Number two is immediate technical consequences. If the core team stops development, the first impact will likely be technical stagnation. No further upgrades, no new features, no protocol improvements, no ecosystem expansion. Also, infrastructure maintenance risks. Servers and back-end systems may degrade over time. KYC systems may stop functioning properly. App ecosystem support may freeze. Developer uncertainty. Third-party developers may stop building if they believe the ecosystem is no longer evolving. What is the impact on ecosystem growth if the PyCore team hands off the Pi network project? A growing ecosystem requires continuous support. Without development, new apps would likely stop emerging. Existing apps may lose relevance. Merchant adoption may slow or reverse. Innovation will stagnate. Most digital ecosystems require active maintenance to maintain or to remain competitive. Without it, they tend to gradually lose momentum. Market and price implications. If Pi becomes tradable on open markets and development stops, economic effects would include loss of confidence. Markets often react negatively to project abandonment risk, increased selling pressure. Users may attempt to exit positions quickly if they believe future growth has ended. Liquidity decline. Without ongoing development, trading activity may reduce over time. Speculative collapse or stagnation. Prices in crypto markets are strongly tied to expectations of future utility. If that expectation disappears, valuation often declines or stabilizes at lower levels. What happens to the blockchain? This depends on the level of decentralization achieved at the time development stops. Scenario 1, semi-centralized system, which is the current risk case. Core infrastructure may depend on central servers or governance. Network functionality could degrade. Coordination problems may emerge. Scenario 2, fully decentralized system, ideal case. Validators and nodes continue operating independently. Network continues running without core intervention. Protocol survives but may not evolve. At present, Pi network is widely perceived as still transitioning toward full decentralization, meaning the first scenario carries more weight in this case. KYC and identity systems would be affected if the Pi core team leaves the project or abandons the project. One of Pi's unique features is its large-scale KYC system. If development stops, new KYC approvals may halt. The pending cases may remain unresolved. Identity-linked migration could stall. User access issues could increase. This could create a long-term frozen state for many users. Developer ecosystem collapse risk. Most blockchain ecosystems rely heavily on active developer participation. If the core team stops, SDKs may become outdated. APIs may break over time. Incentives for building apps disappear. External developers shift to other ecosystems. Without developer activity, a blockchain becomes technologically static. Community-driven survival possibility. In some crypto projects, even after core teams reduce involvement, communities attempt to continue development. This can include open source contributions, forking the protocol, independent validators, maintaining the chain, community governance structures. However, this requires high decentralization maturity, strong developer base, clear documentation, and open infrastructure. Whether Pi Network currently has all these conditions at scale is not certain. Historical comparison in crypto. History shows mixed outcomes when core teams reduce involvement. Some projects fail due to lack of updates. Some survive as legacy chains with limited use. A few transition successfully into decentralized governance models. The outcome depends on how much of the system is truly independent at the time of withdrawal of the core team. The most important factor is dependency level. Dependency level is very, very critical. The impact of core team withdrawal depends on one key variable: how dependent is Pi network on its core team today. If dependency is high, risk of stagnation or decline increases. If dependency is low, network may survive but evolve slowly. This is the central uncertainty in Pi's long-term resilience. If the Pi core team stops developing the project, the likely outcome would not be immediate collapse, but rather gradual stagnation. Key consequences would include slowed or altered ecosystem growth, reduced developer participation, KYC and infrastructure uncertainty, increased market doubt, potential decline in value over time. However, complete failure is not guaranteed if sufficient decentralization has already been achieved. The final outcome depends on one critical question: has Pi network reached a level of decentralization where it can function independently of its original creators? At present, the answer to that question remains uncertain. Therefore, the risk is not simply collapse or survival, but a spectrum ranging from continued growth to gradual stagnation, depending on how deeply the ecosystem can sustain itself without central direction. So, this is the question that have been asked by Kolawole Ayodeji, and I have answered the question as far as I could and as critically as I could. Please subscribe to this channel, like this video, share link on this video with your family and friends, and keep coming back to this channel for more videos like this, where I'll be showing you important things that you need to know about PiCoin and Pi network. Until I come your way in the next one, please share the link of this video with your family and friends. They need to know what is going on at this time in the Pi ecosystem. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.